how can you meditate? You don't have the Bible. And you don't memorize the verses. So you have to memorize the verses. When you read the Bible, you have to memorize this one verse. And then load ka lang ng load. Parang computer lang, load mo ng load. Parang ano?
Yes.
Load lang ng load.
That's right.
Hindi naman sa pagmamayabang ako, kahit hindi ko dala itong Bible ko, I can meditate the words of God because I have the verses in my heart. I like the verse in Psalm 119, verse 11. I have hidden your word in my heart that I might not sin against you.
Yes. That's right.
I like that. Okay, reading the Bible builds up your faith in God. Okay. Napaka-important talaga magbasa tayo ng Biblia. Reading the Bible builds up your faith in God. Parang isang kaibigan, halimbawa, may isang kaibigan ako, for example na lang, si Buboy, yung trainer ko na isa, kaibigan ko. Bago kami naging close ni Buboy, naging kaibigan kami, bago kami naging may tiwala sa isa, hindi lang sa isang pagkikita namin. Nag-meet muna kami, then pagkatapos, after that, marami kami mga conversation, pagkikita, may dinner pa kami, ganyan, hanggang sa nag-develop yung relationship namin. Tapos may tiwala na kami sa isa't isa namin. So, same thing, when you read the Bible, you're building up your relationship to God. Okay? So when you close to God, when you have a relation to God, when you pray, when you have a problem, you pray, God will answer your prayer.
Amen.